What is up, everybody? It's CampingRandy here, CampingRandy.com. Check out this awesome soft top cargo cover from Honda OEM. We got it on the website. Absolutely love this because when you have stuff underneath of it, it stretches. So you know that you've always had those really hard ones that you pull back. Some people may not like this because, you can't really set stuff on there, but you can. It's kind of a net. And what's really cool is it connects over here and then it clips to the back of the seat as well as here and over there. And it's got some graphite poles in it. And then it comes all the way back here and it connects on some bungee straps here. Let me grab those off of there. One of the videos out there that somebody has is he has this rolled back and he has this back into here, but I just throw it back up like this when it's in the way. So let me do this real quick like that, and you can get to your stuff. Like I have my brewery bingo cards back here. My wife has her makeup chair and her little glow light for her stuff that she does. So you can see how it hides everything really nice. It's nice and soft fabric and it keeps everything cool. And we did a little trip, and what was really awesome with the little trip was the bags that we put in here stuck above. And what was cool is it stretched so that you have a lot of play in this. So if you have bags and stuff, you can just pull this over the top of it, bungee it over, and it really has a lot of stretch features, and then it lays down. All right, your part number's right there. Link in the description. Like I said, this is how it goes in. You got these back clips for your seats. Can you get this? So you clip it, 1, 2, the one in the middle on the Star Wars droid seat. And we move over to this. Get my car seat out of the way for my dogs. Then you come up over here, little boingy boingy, put it in here. See that? Put it in there like that. Then we go to the other side, put that in there like this, into there, like that. This thing here, over here, stretchy stretch. Go to the other side, put it in here, stretchy stretch. Got a little Honda logo here. So I think it's a great product. The price is great. We also have the table available that fits on there, like the CRV back in the day that you saw when they released the Passport. It's awesome. It's amazing. Link in the description. And as always, enjoy the adventures.